Wilson Profile Men's Package Set features a unique custom fit system. This box set comes in standard and tall sizes for both right and left-handed players. The oversized driver, designed with forgiveness in mind, features a large sweet spot for improved performance on off-center hits. A fairway wood and hybrid are included for high launch shots further away from the green. The irons feature a low center of gravity and extreme perimeter weighting for greater distance and launch. The self-activating stand bag has plenty of storage and an adjustable double shoulder strap. This set has everything you need to get your game started.
The Wilson Profile SGI Men's Complete Golf Set features a unique custom fit system. This box set comes in standard and tall sizes for both right and left-handed players. The oversized driver features a large sweet spot for improved performance on off-center hits, while the irons feature very low center of gravity and a hot, thin face for superior accuracy and better distance. The Easy Launch Sand Wedge features a wide sole for better greenside control. A popular heel-toe weighted putter with a soft alignment grip provides superior feel and accuracy. The self-activating stand bag has a handle top, plenty of storage, and an adjustable airflow double shoulder strap. The set also includes premium material head covers with flannel lining and soft all-weather grips. The Profile SGI Men's Complete Set has everything you need to get your game started the right way.